Hey for everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to continue our Python programming courses by showing you and explaining for you what is a function, how to define a function, and how to call our function. I am also going to show you how to use a comment in our codes. So now we can start. We are going to start by creating our new Python file. So we can call it, for example, funct, as you see. But remember, in our last previous video, I showed you how to use if condition, elif, and else. I told you that we don't use else if in Python programming. We use elif. I repeat again, we don't use else if in Python programming language. We use elif. So I'm going to show you how to comment in a code. We use $sign. We use this $sign for commenting in our code. You know, comment doesn't affect anything in our code, or it doesn't affect the result you are expecting in our code. So now, a function is a correction of instruction, or it is a correction of codes. So a function is a correction of codes, or it is a correction of instructions. Okay, this is how we do a comment in a Python. So now can you proceed by defining a function. Define function 1. Function, for example 1. Our function is equal to function 1. So this is a function that we call function 1. So this is how we define a function. We can also call it message. Okay, our function is called message. So for writing instruction that will be included in our function message, we will start our codes there. If you start there like that, if you start by writing our code there, this instruction will not be included in our message function. For including instruction in our message function, we will start there. For example, print welcome to Python programming language. So when you finish this and you try to execute or to run a program, nothing you will get, no result. For example, as you see, nothing you get. So now we can proceed by calling our function. In that case, we call our function. Our function is called message. So to call it, we write message as a function name. So now we can run our program and we will get this message, welcome to Python programming. As you see, welcome to Python programming language. So now we can also define a function with parameter or argument. For example, def sum as a function name. return, we must put their argument or parameter. Return x, for example, 8 plus x. So we are going to call our function. For there, I'll have it to declare a variable that will hold our function. A equal, for example, we declare a variable a equal sum. For example, the value of 7 equal 9. Print age. So we can run now our code. Let us see. As you see, the result is 17. 8 plus x equals 17. 8 plus 9 equals 17. And the 9 is a value of a variable x. 9 is a value of a variable x. And 8 plus x equals 17. So we can also declare a function with two parameter or argument. Define add as our function name x no w z print no return w plus z. So we can call our function by declaring a variable. For example, b equal add 15 27 print b. So let us run our program and see what will be the result. As you see, the result is 42. Value of w and z, w plus z equal 42. 15 plus 27 equal 42. The 15 is a value of variable w. 27 is a value of variable z. So guys, thank you for watching. Do subscribe for getting another video about Python programming courses. Do subscribe for following all complete course. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.